here's how you can block specific sites in Safari on iPhone. So let me show you how it would work. If you are new here, subscribe for upcoming tutorials and similar guides like this. Anyways, you can get inside your settings right away and find the section which is called the screen time. And this is a place where you can manage your usage and see what apps have been used and for how long and whatever. But below, we as well have the content and privacy restrictions. So you can enable that and proceed to the App Store, Media, Web, and Games section. And when you enable this, you can see that we have the ability to go to web content, and there are three options. By default, it's likely going to be set to unrestricted, meaning that nothing gets blocked. But you can choose the middle option, which is the limiting websites, where you specifically decide which apps are always going to be, which websites are always going to be allowed and which are never allowed. So you can see that when you tap on the never allow, you can import or paste a URL, like a website link, which you never want the iPhone to access. Right, and that is going to be a website which is basically not accessible. Doesn't matter if you're using Safari or if you're using the Chrome or any other web browser, that page will simply not work. Then we also have only approved websites, but that is the most strict option because this only allows selected list of websites to be functional, right? So you choose, like 20 web pages which the iPhone can access and then nothing else outside of that. So that is definitely an option, but I assume not really the most used one. Depends on what your goal is, but yeah, these are the options we have. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up according to your needs and preferences. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the upcoming videos as well.